Hello eaters! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen PH. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen PH. For today's vlog,
It smells good, guys. That's it, guys.
Hey everyone, it's me, Princess. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen PH. So for today's video, we're going to rate a African food. Going to rate this. This is shito from Ghana. It's from Africa. So this is shito. This is a black pepper sauce from Ghana. This is basically like a chili oil here in the Philippines, but there's something special in this chili sauce. We can't able to eat shito without anything, so we need to dip it in something like chicken or put it in the rice. So before that, we need to cook first.
hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of What's in My Kitchen. So for today's video, we're going to make a jollof rice. Jollof rice is a delicacy in Africa. They are usually eating jollof rice during special occasions like birthday. This is one of their popular food in Ghana. Anyway guys, I am Filipina that is living in Manila. So I don't have any idea how to make jollof rice. I just watch on YouTube. So for today's video, this will be a challenge for me if I can make jollof rice from the scratch. So guys, before we went to a market, we went for a street food. This is a Filipino street food. This is a Robin. It's been a long time since I tried this street food, so I'm really craving for this. So after I satisfied my cravings, we went to our market to buy some stuff for our jollof rice. So I just buy ingredients for our pepper sauce. This pepper sauce, they use it in almost everything. They use this in jollof rice and in their African stew. I just buy some onion, ginger, garlic, tomato, and bell pepper, and of course some chili and tomato paste.
YouTube kasi mami anyak gawa niya. Sa YouTube. Ano mo yung, ipaano mo yung request niyo para makita? Ito, ano yung
Hello!
makita mo daw yung ano, yung store nila.
Hi, this is
fresh vegetable. This is located in Pasig.
Hi guys, nasa Pure Gold ako ngayon. Gagawa tayo ng jollof rice. So, we need our mixed vegetable for this dish. So, just this. Ate,
After we buy
bili po.
the ingredients that we will
Pink
need in
part
jollof
po.
rice, of course, I do a cheat. I buy some fried chicken
Sige,
outside
mo na ako malaki te.
so we can
Kahit lima?
able to finish early.
Ano to te? Ang leg. Leg part po ba yan? Leg. Wala na pong bago, ate. Sige, yun na lang po. Yun nasa dulo, te. Kahit 5.
Hi guys, kararating ko lang galing palengke. So, ito na yung mga nabili natin. So, prepare na natin yung luto. For today, gagawa tayo ng jollof rice. So, ito na yung mga kailangan. We have tomato, red chili, and onion. Then, tomato paste, and some bell pepper. So, mag-umpisa na tayo magluto. So, ipe-prepare ko na nga yung mga kakailanganin natin for jollof rice. So guys, this is my food chopper. This is my food processor. Garlic. Onion. Lagay lang natin siya lahat ng rice. Sobrang madali lang gawin yung jollof rice. Pag sama-sama nyo lang lahat ng ingredients. Onion. Just a quarter cup. Just like this.
yung mga vegetable natin. Nilagay ko na siya lahat sa food processor. So, yung nandito guys is onion, garlic, bell pepper, and tomato. And meron din pala tong ginger guys. So, ngayon, lalagyan natin siya ng vegetable oil. Actually, biniblend nila to sa blender. Pero dahil wala akong blender, let's try in food processor to see if it will work. This is my vegetable, and this one is my vegetable oil. So, lagyan lang natin siya ng vegetable oil. Yan. Nilagay ko na yung vegetable oil natin dito. So, ngayon, i-blend natin siya. Let's go. Yan. Sasaksak ko lang to, and then blend natin. Guys, after natin ma-blend, ito na yung itsura niya guys. As you can see, fine na siya. Ito yung magiging sauce natin for our jollof rice. So, ayun guys, ito na yung pepper sauce na ginawa natin kanina. Ito yung nilagyan natin ng ginger, onion, garlic, tomato, bell pepper, and of course, the chili. So, mag-start na tayo magluto guys. For the go. Yun guys, mag-i-start na tayo magluto. Ito yung mga kailangan natin for our jollof rice. So, this is our vegetable oil. This is our mixed veggies. Onion. This is a black pepper, salt, curry powder, thyme. This is a chicken cubes, bay leaf, and this one is it's like a similar to Maggi in Ghana, but it's just a chicken cubes also. MSG, tomato paste, rice, and of course our pepper sauce. So when our oil is hot, let's put our onion. More onion, the better. While we are waiting for our onion to be translucent, I will open this tomato paste first. This is our tomato paste. How to cook jollof? It's time to prove ourselves. Just half. Then, lutuin lang natin yung tomato paste natin for a few minutes. Kasi guys, this is my first time to make jollof rice. So, I hope na okay yung ating jollof rice. Kasi this one is my favorite food from Africa, from Ghana. Lalagyan na natin itong pepper sauce na ginawa natin kanina. Smells really good guys. So, haluin lang natin to guys. Kapag si Nana nagloko, kahit din na niya ako lutuan ng jollof rice.
You cannot do it.
I can do this.
I have to
on my
teach
own.
you or it's going to burn. Yes, yes. It's going to burn, trust me.
Let it burn.
Ooh.
Let it it simmer for some time, guys. Kailangan natin maluto yung ating pepper sauce. Aray! Nananakit, guys, oh. Ah! Wait lang. Kang tumawa.
Ikaw tang tumawa too.
Oh,
Yeah.
see?
Mm.
Goes everywhere. Lang, guys. Tubig lang yun, guys, ha. So, timpla na natin siya, guys. So, guys, isi-season lang natin siya. Ito. Bay leaf. Chicken cubes. This is just thyme. Curry powder. Pepper. Just a little bit of salt. Let's add this curry powder. Let's just finish this. And the thyme also. Then, our Maggi. Let's just open this one. Ito yung new variant ng Maggi, guys. Yan.
So,
I think it's burning. Let's mix it. Okay. Let's just boil for minutes. What are you saying?
so what was your first experience eating jollof rice?
It's really good, guys. That's why I want to make it my own if kaya ko. Kung kaya ko lang naman. Kasi every time, kapag nagkikrave ako, I need someone to make it for me. So this time, I'll do it on my own.
So this is your jollof challenge, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how it goes.
Yeah. So, pakuluin lang natin ito ng konti, guys, bago natin ilagay yung ating rice. And guys, you can put MSG. It's just depending to you if you want to add MSG. This is just for umami flavor. Just a little bit. Konti lang. Guys, inunahan niya na ako ilagay yung kanin, oh. Ay, yung bigas. So, let's put our rice. I think, guys, kulang pa yung bigas na nilagay natin. Sobrang dami ng sauce. So, magdagdag pa tayo ng bigas.
For you. I'm not the one doing it, you are the one doing it.
So, ayun guys, nailagay ko na yung rice dito sa ating pepper sauce. At timplahan na rin natin siya. Yung jollof rice po is hindi siya niluluto ng maraming tubig, guys. Kailangan allow it to cook by steam. So, another tip for you guys, kapag nagluluto kayo ng jollof rice, after nyo malagay yung rice, we need to cover this with aluminum foil. Pero since wala tayong aluminum foil, let's just use plastic. Malinis naman to, guys. So, cover lang natin siya. Cover lang natin siya, guys. Para lang yung steam Kailangan kasi natin ng steam dito guys kapag gagawa tayo ng jollof rice. So, cover lang natin ito guys. Pwede nyo itong gayahin guys. Kung wala kayong aluminum foil, you can do this, just plastic. Make sure lang na malinis yung plastic na gagamitin nyo. So, ayun guys. Let's just wait until our jollof rice is well cooked. Guys, we need to stir this for every 5 minutes. Make sure kapag hinalo nyo siya from the bottom, balikan natin siya after 5 minutes, hahaluin natin siya. This is the progress of our jollof rice. As you can see, wala na yung ating sauce. So, antayin na lang natin siya maging fully cooked. Can you see that, guys?
How you do it? Tell them.
You know, I watched a video how to make jollof rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's very long time, but this is my first time making it. Yeah, just keep watching. YouTube is the best teacher, guys. See that? Hindi pa siya fully cooked, guys. So, takpan pa natin to. Then, let it cook for more time. This is our jollof rice looks like now. As you can see, wala na siyang liquid. So, ngayon, pwede na natin ilagay ang ating vegetables. Guys, this is our mixed vegetable. We have carrots, corn, and green peas. So let's put it. Then make sure to stir it well.
It smells so good. Start it from the bottom, now we're here. Start it from the bottom, now we're here.
Guys, our jollof rice is ready. So, ipaghahain ko na kayo. Here's our jollof rice. Then, here's our chicken. And wait, don't forget the shito. Wait lang. Of course, jollof rice will be complete with shito. So this is our shito. We will rate this one. So let's open this. Sniff test. So let's get some. There you go. Then let's put it in our jollof rice. So guys, let's eat. So guys, this is our jollof rice looks like. So guys, let me know if you want to try this recipe. So let me know in the comment section. So if you have any suggestion that you want me to try or to cook, just let me know in the comment section below and I will reply you. So guys, here our jollof, fried chicken, and our shito. Shito is from Ghana, so let's try this. Let's get some chicken. I am so excited, guys. Let's see how my cooking is. Chicken, jollof rice, Let's try this. Mmm. It's so good, guys. You should give it a try. Kain tayo. Wait. Before we forget, this is our shito. Let's mix it in the rice. This is my first time trying shito, guys. Shito have a different taste. It's not just spicy, but guys, you can taste the spices here. You can taste a smoky flavor from the meat because Nana said it has dried fish, it has shrimp, and also chicken, a bits of chicken, not big chunks, but you can feel it. It's very interesting to try this because usually here in the Philippines we just have a chili garlic. It's just plain chili and garlic. But this one, it's really good, guys. You should give it a try. So if you're planning to visit Ghana, you should try this shito, guys. It's very good, trust me. Let me give it another try. I know someone videoing me, it's already want to eat, but that's it, guys. That's it, guys. So guys, let me enjoy this food. So see you in my next vlog, guys. Bye! So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen PH. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.